so what we're going to do today is we're going to do a clean on the MGB wheels. So I'm going to take them off, I'm going to jack it up, give them a good clean inside and out, and then put them back on. That's today. Enjoy. So just got the car up on jacks, taking all the wheels off, all four. Going to use some orange agent in around the hubs and around the wheels. Leave that on for 3 or 4 minutes and then I'll start agitating with a wire brush. I'll really give a good scrub. It's going to test this orange agent out a lot. It's the wheels are dirty, they've got a bit of grease on them, they've got some brake dust. Worst case scenario, if this doesn't work, just going to have to scrub really hard. Hey, look, while I've got all the wheels off the car there, I'll go in the tyre wells there and give them a good clean up too. Make sure they come up really, really nice. Orange agent again for that part of the clean there. Okay, had the orange agent sitting on there for a little bit now. Wire brush, get in between the spokes. Paintbrush, had a little comment on the last video, said about the metal part around the top of the paintbrush there. Just be careful of it marking your wheels. Little hack, guys. Electrical tape, wrap it around there. That way if you do knock it against your wheels, you're not going to scratch them. All right, and then the last brush there, big tyre brush. Give that one a really good clean too. Alrighty, that's a wrap on the MGB wheels. Easiest way I found, just jack it up, get those wheels off, get them clean inside and out. Bit of degreaser, bit of wheel clean, bit of orange agent as well. Got those wheels sorted. Good wire brush, just really helped them out. So yeah, come up good. I think after giving them a good clean, they're gonna have to come up again and probably have a paint. I think that's gonna be the next step for those wheels to bring them up to anything decent. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed today. Hope you enjoyed the wheels. Easy enough to do. Get those wheels off, give them a good clean. You'll be happy you've done it. Enjoy guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.